Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Google Pixel 9a. For that we will need the settings form. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you will find here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point System. Check this item here in front, the symbol, and tap then on System. And now you will need the first point, Languages. And again, the first point, System Languages. Okay, now you can choose from some languages here in that list, if you're having this list, like in my case Deutsch, so German. Then go here to the two bars, hold them and swipe it just up. Leave your finger and the phone is asking you if you want to change the language. Just choose the most white one here to change it. And then the phone is here in German. Okay, let me switch it back to English to show you what to do if your language is not part of that list, or what you can do if you don't have this list here. Of course, we need the plus symbol here to add a language. And yeah, now you can choose from many languages. Yeah, let's keep going on, maybe in English again here to follow the video better. And at the second step, you will have most of the time a choice for a local dialect. Maybe let's take the dialect here from the Bahamas. Greetings, by the way. And now English with the dialect of the Bahamas is here a part of our list. Okay, what we need to do now is to go here to the two bars, hold them, swipe it up to the first position, and go then on the most white one here to change it. And now we have English here with the dialect of the Bahamas here at our phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. Now I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. I can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.